Welcome to Comm Systems channel. In today's world, home deliveries are more popular than ever. From groceries to electronics, packages arrive at our doorsteps daily. But along with convenience comes a growing problem: package theft, often called porch piracy. Every year, millions of packages are stolen from front steps and lobbies. Thieves often wait for delivery trucks to pass, and within minutes, they snatch items before homeowners even know they've arrived. Fortunately, there's a powerful solution: security cameras. Cameras do more than just record. They allow you to monitor deliveries in real time, whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. With smart notifications, you'll know the moment a package arrives. If suspicious activity occurs, you can act quickly, alerting neighbors, contacting the delivery service, or even calling law enforcement. Security cameras also serve as a strong deterrent. Thieves are far less likely to target homes or buildings where cameras are clearly visible. And if they do attempt theft, the high-quality footage provides valuable evidence that can help track them down. For multi-family buildings and businesses, camera systems make package management even more effective. Cameras positioned in lobbies, mailrooms, or package areas keep deliveries safe, while also helping building staff monitor access and reduce disputes over lost or misplaced items. At Comm Systems, we specialize in professional security camera installations designed to protect your home and business. We ensure wide coverage of your property, discreet but effective placement, and reliable monitoring options, all to keep your deliveries secure and your peace of mind intact. Thank you for watching Comm Systems channel. For more expert insights on home and business security, don't forget to like and subscribe. Call us at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com.